Alright guys, so to get a white teeth at home, you're going to be making use of lemon. Lemon is citric in nature. As such, it contains vitamin C, and it also contains a whitening element that helps to whiten up the skin as well as the teeth. Now if you have to use lemon on your teeth, it has to be once in a week, so to just whiten up the teeth, and also you can equally protect your gum. And then you're gonna be putting in tomato. Now tomato is a natural skin bleach. It contains a lightening property which helps to lighten up the skin. It also works in whitening of the teeth. It leaves the teeth super white, and it also helps to protect the gum. And now we're going to be making use of baking soda. Now baking soda is a natural exfoliant. It helps so much for the skin, for the hair, and also for the body. Okay, using baking soda on the teeth would help you to remove dental plaque, dental tartar, and decay. But it has to be consumed or used on your teeth once in a week. And to make this even better, we're going to be putting in coconut oil. Now coconut oil is a remedy that works so much for the skin, the hair, and also for the body. It helps so much in removing bacteria from the mouth, and it also helps in protecting the gum while we use other abrasive ingredients to whiten up the teeth. Now to prepare this, guys, we're going to be cutting the tomato. Okay, so we're just going to be needing half cut of that because I'm going to be preparing it just for one use. Okay, so we're going to chop it so to enable the blender blend it quickly. Now we would have to blend. Alright, so now it's properly blended. I'm going to be transferring that into the bowl. Okay, since I actually blend a little, that is going to be okay. And now you're going to be putting in baking soda. So half teaspoon of baking soda will be enough. Alright, now we're going to be cutting in the lemon into the mix. So I'm going to be squeezing in 1 tablespoon of lemon, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And now we're gonna mix this. Okay, mix it properly on our teeth whitening remedy is ready. Alright guys, so now let's go to use this and whiten up the teeth. Hey, good morning. Alright, so here's the teeth whitening, and it's also helping removing dental plaque, and you're going to be using a brush to use this. And if you have to use this on your teeth, it has to be once in a week, okay? Now, because of the baking soda, but every other thing apart from the baking soda and the lemon is okay to use every day. But when you put in baking soda on lemon, you have to use it once a week. So I'm gonna be dipping a brush into this. It's peeled on my dress. Okay, so now we're gonna be brushing the teeth with this. If you have a tooth hole, you can actually use this like 2 times a week, okay? So it will help you getting, healing that place up. But if the tooth hole is actually too big, you have to go to the dentist and remove it first before, using this home remedy. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to brush your tongue in a circular motion. Now your tongue has to be clean, okay, so as your mouth would equally be clean. Because if your tongue is not clean, your mouth is going to be, it's not going to be clean. It's just going to be smelly. You're going to have bad breath when your tongue is dirty. So how you do that is to clean it in a circular motion. Okay, so immediately you're done. Now you have to make sure to clean the tongue inside, okay? So immediately you're done, you have to wash it. Don't hold it on for another minute. Just go wash it off. So I'm gonna go wash this and I'll be right back.